Embrace the power of statistics with Pivot Table, a rich tool for looking at the data from all the different angles. Use a simple form file, a CSV or JSON file, and only several lines of 4GL code to add a pivot table to your program. Sort and group the data in many ways for detailed analysis. Use tables and heat maps to pinpoint possible strengths. Use charts for visualization. Zoom in on any area, and save snapshots of your graphs. Moreover, the Pivot Table tool has a wide variety of functions to process the data with, and you can combine them with the graphs. Bring great advancements to your 4GL applications with Lycia. Visit Querix.com, drop us a note, and we'll gladly tell you more. Querix, 4GL redefined.